Hi, welcome to this short demo video of Hotel Investor Apps, ERP and accounting software. So normally our sales team gives a much deeper dive and more in-depth demo, but today I just wanted to cover some of the key features and basic navigation of our platform so you can really get a sense of how it's built for hotel financial management. So as I log in here, one of the things that you can notice is that we are completely cloud-based. So I'm logged in using the Google Chrome browser, but you can use any browser or device to access our system. And as I log in, I am greeted by the home screen. The home screen is really made up of three parts. We have our navigation bar here across the top. We have the dashboard in the center of the screen. And on the sidebar, we have our modules. So let me break that into those three parts. So starting on the top left, we have our home button. This is currently HIA's logo, but if you are an HIA customer, that would be your company's logo. And pressing that will always bring you back to the home screen. Then we have our universal search bar. So this is a really handy search bar so you can find anything very quickly in our system. Say you were looking for an AP bill, you know it was bill 302. You could just type that in. And look, we have a bill come up from Cisco Systems, right? So, or if you're looking for just some help information, you're like, oh, I want to print a check. You can search for checks, right? And so everything related to checks will come up here. And under help topics, oh, look, that's all the information I need to print checks. So then this is going to be your recent history and that the history button. Moving over, this is going to be your hotel name bar. So this shows all the different hotels that you have access to within your portfolio. So I currently am set up with a corporate view to look at this whole portfolio, but you can really limit this based on user access. So for example, if you want someone to just have access to one property, say they're, the general manager of this Comfort Suites, you can just set them up to access that one property in the system. And I'd also like to point out that HIA is hotel specific. We are built for hotels. So whereas some other software, you have to hire expensive consultants to really set it up to go from being just an accounting software that manages companies to being set up for that multi-entity portfolio structure that are hotels. We already understand that. So we are set up to have portfolios. And in fact, we are set up to have entities within the hotels themselves. So we know that hotels might have restaurants, they might have retail outlets, right? So, and all of that you want to be able to roll up into consolidated profit and loss statements. So everything can really be set up with, multiple entities and sub entities. We are built for that. Then we just have obviously time and date. And then here, this is going to be the on-screen help button. So this is really cool because it shows you help topics related to what's displayed on the screen. So I'm on a dashboard, so therefore everything that's popping up here is about a dashboard. But say I was in a different module in, say, accounts payable, right? So I have this accounts payable screen up. I go to the help button and look, everything that has popped up here is really related to accounts payable. I could look how to do, intercompany billing and spread an invoice, right, for intercompany. And so all of that is very easy right here at your fingertips. This next section is going to be your profile section. This is where you'd go to reset your password or to set up your email signature for sending out reports from your email address. And I would like to point out that HIA is a true cloud product, so there is zero Citrix involved. You can reset your own password. You can log into the system very easily. Everything is right here for you. Then on the left-hand sidebar, these are going to be the different modules in HIA. And as you may know, HIA is an ERP system, enterprise resource planning software. So that just means that we have a lot of functionality in each of these modules. And we can go over all that one by one. All of these are, of course, related to accounting and financial management. So at the top, this is going to be my favorites module. And just like you have favorites in your cell phone with your favorite friends and family, set up on speed dial, these are basically your speed dial reports, right? So I can look up any item that I want very quickly, and I can open as many of these as I want, right? I can open as many tabs as I want to look at them. So just a very quick access way rather than going into individual modules. We have a dashboards module. This sort of shows you that we can set up, different dashboard views. We have daily reporting. This is where the property management system and POS import data, this is all going to come into this system here under daily entry. And in fact, this is a very robust module because we can synthesize data from multiple different types of report formats all into that daily report. We have a built-in business intelligence. This is great for monitoring your operations and your finance and your labor. It has built-in anomaly reporting, so you don't have to think about it. If there's more overtime than you set a parameter for, you will be notified and you will know that. We also have a finance module. This is all going to be about reporting. So you can see there's budgeting here. There are financial statements. There's all different types of reporting, profit and loss statements, different types of statements, and you can access that all here. And I will say that all of this is set up based on your user access level. So some people can have access to all of the reports. Other people might only want them to access to just a few reports for their job role. Then this banking module, this is going to be where you can do all your, bank reconciliation. We have Bank Connect. This is going to be where you can sync all your bank accounts. So it's a pretty great feature. Say you have a portfolio and you have a lot of different regional bank accounts and you want to be able to stream in that data, you can easily set that up so you can have one place to look at all those bank balances. And then you can get your cash balances reports. You know what your cash on hand is across the portfolio. And all this data feeds your cash management file as well. Right? Then next we have payables. This is going to be for, for entering invoices, anything related to your bills and adjustments and vendors. You can find all of that very easily here. Next, this is receivables. This is really great for hotel management companies. So say you want to manage your management company and do all that property billing within the same system as the one that you manage your hotels with, you can easily do that in HIA. Then we also have contract management for monitoring, terms and dates of your contracts. And there are multiple additional modules. I am not going to go into all the modules, but suffice it to say that if your company has more enterprise level needs, we can turn on other modules for you. And you can do that, such as purchase orders, fixed assets, or multi-currency. All of that we have here. All right, then let's go back to the dashboards. So this is my dashboard screen. I've set it up to be a flash corporate report. And as you see, I have KPI tiles all across the top. These are color coded based on parameters that I've set, but you can set whatever parameters that you would want. Then we also have, multiple other reports here within the dashboard, flash report daily, flash report monthly, right? You can look at your food and beverage. You can look at trends over time in a more graphic manner. And you can also see any other key details that you want, such as cash balances or documents to pay. And we really adjust these dashboards however you like. So different widgets can be added and subtracted based on your needs. So in summary, I hope this short overview has given you a taste of the system so you can tell that HIA is really built for hotels. We have that, portfolio level structure, also with all those sub-entities already built into the system. We have very robust modules, so you can do all your financial accounting needs here, including your corporate management company billing. And then we also have that built-in search and knowledge base. So if you have any questions, you can easily find that right here within our system. And if you can't find what you're looking for in our universal search or in our screen-based search, then you can always reach out to our support team. So they speak hotel, and we will be able to solve that issue for you. And lastly, I will say that HIA is completely scalable. It is built for portfolios to have as many properties that you want. You can scale as you grow, adding properties and adding users. So we are set up for unlimited users for each different company, and we never charge per user fees. So you can have as many people as you want from your company in our system very easily. So HIA has been really transformative for a lot of our customers, and you do not need to take my word for it. Please check out some of our case studies or testimonials. They're all available on our website. And if you would like a deeper dive to look at more of the functionality in our system, please request a demo. You can do that just pressing the request a demo button on our website, and we'll get that set up for you.